Hey everybody, so this is going to be a really quick tutorial on some Flintlock gun holsters. Okay, so I have sized for one like this. This is just like a Nerf Flintlock, but I know there's bigger ones out there. So this is, depending on the size you want, this is the smaller size. I also have a larger size here that I'll be doing for a larger Flintlock pistol. But I wanted to show you real quick, just after cutting out the shape along with the loop for the belt strap to put on the belt, and then some straps here that go around the outside to tighten it. I'm going to be using a Sam Brown button here along with another strap to keep the Flintlock in the holster, but I'll show you that when I get to it. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to line up these sewing holes that you punch out with these first. Okay, so it's just gonna fold over like that. The holes here for the holster strap should line up as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this, and I'll put the little Sam Brown button in here and get the straps in, and I'll show you how that looks. Okay, one quick correction. I'm gonna actually put the belt strap and sew this to the back first, just because it would be harder to do that if this is already folded. Try and get the needle in and out. So before you do that part, hopefully you watch this. But yeah, I'm gonna do the belt strap loop here on the back first. All right, be right back. Okay, so here it is real quick. Got the strap to keep it in the holster. Got the two straps here. These are placed in a way so that depending on how big your Flintlock pistol is, you can tighten it down in the holster. Okay, so if I can take it out here, you can see that you can go in, and then yeah, like I said, it's easier for tightening it down this way, so that the barrel is nice and snug, and it's not gonna shake out. Yeah, I got the Sam Brown button here. I got the little rivet in the back, and this is to show the thigh strap. So this is I'm actually making this one for the holster belt that I've been putting together and I've been showing. So there will be other, and I'll show it on the other pattern, but there'll be different belt loop here if you want to use it on a traditional belt. So it would be, the belt loop would be higher up, so it would hang from the belt here. So you'll see that in the pattern. There's a different one of these to allow for different placement on your outfit instead of a holster belt like I'm making this one for. Okay, so I'm going to show you the other one, longer for a larger Flintlock pistol here in just a second. Hey guys, so here's the larger Flintlock holster that I was telling you about. It's going to go together the same way. It's just kind of, you sandwich it here with the stitching. There are two straps with buckles. These are 1 inch. That go around. Here's the the belt loop for putting it on either the belt holster on your leg. I have another one here that has a larger loop that would go up. I'll show you that here in a second. And then the strap here, I don't know what you call this. It's just an extra safety strap. That goes to a Sam Brown button here. You don't have to put the two holes like I have here. This was just in case I want to use a larger Flintlock. What I have here is a 3D printed one that I got off of Etsy, and I'll put the name here down below where I got this from. But it was took a little while to get because it's outside of the US, but pretty good quality. You do have to glue them together though, so that's the only thing. They don't come together like this. But this is, I'll show it to you real quick, just so you see that it's how the authentic, or how it's gonna, how this one looks compared to some other ones you might see that are more, you know, have the wood and the iron instead of plastic like this. So anyway, yeah, this one is made for the larger flintlock pistols, and this is a left hand. Okay, so the holster is made for, this one is a left-handed flintlock. In the pattern, you'll have for left-handed and right-handed. Okay, same for all of these that I have. This one's a left-handed, but you know, in the pattern there are for lefties or righties. Okay, so this is the flintlock. Let me show you the mini flintlock pistol. Here we are here, and this one I also got off of Etsy from a vendor. But same idea. You're just gonna sandwich this together. This one's cut out a little bit different because the flintlock mechanism is positioned different. That's why it's shaped this way. This one I have it as a right-handed. You can see because the little keeper here is set up on this side, but yeah. So here's the back side. It has the little the belt keeper, and then here's this little tightener here as well. So yeah, this is the mini flintlock pistol holster. Let me show you this other one here. This is well, here's the pattern for it. So yeah, here's the pattern for it. Nice big. But this is let's see if I can zoom out a little bit. There we go. This is the revolver. This is the large revolver holster, and you see this has the traditional, you know, Western style pistol, but just like the rest of them, you're just gonna fold it over and stitch down the side. There's the holes for these the holster straps. Little strap here keeper that gets riveted down, and this is the what I was talking about on the other ones, that it will be in the pattern. So if you want to make it so that the strap is up here where you can hang from a belt instead of the holster belt like I have, that would go on the leg, and so it would be here, or you could simply use one of these other sized loops here. This would take the place of here, and the loop and the placement would be lower, right? So there's a couple of ways to do this, a couple of ways to wear this. If you don't want to use the holster belt, you want to wear this just on a regular belt, like a gunslinger belt or something like that, then you'd use this here, this loop here, and yeah. So this one's I really like the look at this one. Actually, the leather's really nice. But let me show you this is another 3D printed pistol that I got from, I can't remember who, but yeah. So this is just plastic. Make sure that if you're going to go to Comic-Con or someplace, make sure you put the little orange tip on these and on the other one. Any of these 3D printed, if you go anywhere, have to have the little orange tip. It's just a safety reminder if you go outside or take this anywhere. So yeah, that's this. And then it fits, you know, because I have these here, it fits nice and snug. And you can, I mean, if you need to adjust these, because they're just in a loop, right? They're just here in a loop. If you want to move the placement of these to the other side, you can. This is also, like I said, I was saying before, this is a right hand version. So this is for being on your right side, but there will be another version of this for left-handed people. Okay, so I'm gonna get some pictures of these on the holster belt, on the leg, and hopefully I'll have my daughter or my son model those for me. All right, so I'll get some glamour shots of these, and we'll be right back. If you have any questions, again, if you have any questions or comments or concerns on how to improve these, let me know. I'm totally open to improving patterns or processes. So give me a shout out at on YouTube or Instagram or on Etsy, wherever you can find me, and I will help you out as much as I can. All right, take it easy. Thanks. Bye.